goodness, how do you know?
Sir.
No, I blocked it. I blocked it.
Look like you just button mashing, Marcus.
I am. I'll be the guy though. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Fuck you, Jordan. I can attack you anymore. Oh, he's a bitch.
Uh-oh, it's at your ass. Give up.
Is that this red? Oh, no. That was put out all the muscles.
He got his hand.
Where's his character? Switch out. Look, you need to get out of here. What's wrong with you? Your asshole.
Who picked Chun-Li? Oh, you a bitch. Everybody know that's my character. You make it. Oh my gosh, I can't watch this. You make Chun-Li look horrible.
Right first, and then I don't know what happened. I just started fucking up.
You cannot play on no arcade game.
No.
It's the longest fade I've ever seen in my life.
I'm saying, doesn't the match usually be over when we have my house?
Fail.
Wow.
Served. Just walk away, man.
I'm trying to get the trigger with the special. It's not working out. I'm gonna get you with that fucking special. Fuck. Somebody that shit. Fuck!
You keep missing.
I know!
He's sauce.
You said he's soft?
He's sauce, man.
How you switch your character, Jordan?
You died, nigga. That's how you switch characters.
Fucking shit, dog.
You died. That's how you switch.
That bitch got dark. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, dude.
Yo, I went the whole match.
Oh my god. Jordan won now.
Fuck you,
The face of a champion.
Fuck this champion. Fuck you, bitch.
IG in the input.
What? You done?
Let's go.